Good morning, this is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. I have a really exciting episode today, but I want to start off with the futures. Today is Thursday, November 5th. So today's market looked like it's going to open up. We're going to end this week really strong in the green. And for most people, your portfolio should be up by several percentage points. So it's looking really good. But I wanted to talk about something that happened yesterday before we move on to today's stuff. Yesterday, there was a lot of strong stocks moving, and I want to show you this real quick. An article from thestreet.com by Jim Cramer. 6 best stocks in Nasdaq on Wednesday. And if you scroll down, I'm going to show you something. First one is Biogen, 43% gain. All about a potential drug that may be voted for. Second one, here it goes, never heard of that. Shanghai-based e-commerce. Third one is Docusign, NetEase, Facebook, and PayPal. So what's the most interesting thing about this list? Well, would you believe that I have a portfolio that had 2 of these stocks in it? That's right, 2 out of the 6. So what are the odds of a portfolio like this owning 2 stocks and 2 out of 6 I own them? And again, I showed you this before. This is real data. You see, you pop it in. It's not a fake website. This is my real ETrade account. And obviously, I done really well. This was up $100 yesterday, a 40% move. So it added another 40 some odd percent or even 50% yesterday. This was up pretty huge yesterday. I don't remember exactly, $24 move. But again, it added more money. What people don't realize is how much money this account started with. It was actually a lot less than the 4,000 you see here. But that's another story for another time. I can get into the history of what happened with Biogen. It actually split up. It gave me another share. That share got, those shares were bought out by a European pharmaceutical. And then it converted my money into cash. And then with the cash, I bought Docusign. Okay? Most of you who follow my channel know I like to copy my transaction history into a spreadsheet. So I'm going to do that right now. Paste that. So I copy all the history, the logs. And then, did I break something already? Hang on a second. Okay. Okay, I think I fixed all the methods here. Let me just check, make sure there's nothing broken in here. Because sometimes my formulas are messed up. They look good. And let me check the months. Okay, that looks good. So the last thing I do is convert this, align the text. Okay. So now we go and let's go refresh this. I have a pivot table. And let's hit the refresh button. And there you go. So these are my pivot of my summary. And just so that you guys know, I do have a filter on just for the quarter. And what you see is I did close out a lot of positions prior to the election to reduce some risk. And then now I'm starting to open new positions, as you can see, right? Bought to open. And I also sell to open. So it's starting to look good. Let's go to my monthly pivot. I'm going to hit the refresh button here. And there you go. All the data has been updated now. And my last one, it's over here. And let me just hit the refresh button. And there you go. So I lost some money in Apple. You saw that it went down. Again, I closed a lot of my positions prior to the election. So some of the numbers will get adjusted. So this table shows only my options trading and dividends from my buy and hold. This will not show things like where I buy and sell the underlying or the stock itself. I don't need to track that because yesterday I did sell 25 shares of Biogen. When the share shot up, 40%, I did sell. I had 25 shares in a different portfolio, and I made another $1,000 That's that's like a trading portfolio. So, but I don't count that. So I made $1,000 just in Biogen yesterday, but Docusign went up and everything else. But I don't track underlyings, right? I don't track portfolio value. What I track is with my trading, and I trade with options, how much money I make and lose. And you see, I lose money. There's not, for sure, I get assigned or I get put to, and it puts me in a bad position sometimes. So I have to, trade around it or fix my trades or stuff like that. Hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'm here to help you win with money. And today I will put out another video. I will buy a new stock. And I normally don't buy stocks that often, but I did sell something yesterday and I had about $8,000 to put to use. So I do want to buy a high growth company that will do well from here to the end of the year, and I may hold it for 5 or 10 years. So again, I'm not short-term trader. I'm not day trading. I'm not swing trading. I'm just going to buy something that I believe will do really well. So watch for that video. You may be surprised at what I'm going to add. And I do need to pick something that I can get 100 shares so I can write options around it. And that brings my video to an end. As always, have a good and profitable trading day.